What's up, peak timers? Welcome to race day, where we've got the championship that you guys have been waiting for, the Bugatti Chiron versus 6 hypercars. Let's have a look at each one of the hypercars that are racing it today. First up, we've got the McLaren P1 in this yellow color. My favorite color for the P1. Love it in that volcanic yellow color. Then we've got the Porsche 918 Spider, and this one with the Weissach package on it. Check that out with that matte black finish to it. Next up, we've got the Ferrari LaFerrari, one of the best Ferrari castings of all time. You guys love the LaFerrari, check it out. Then after that, we've got a brand new casting, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in this gorgeous looking grayish silver color. Check out those chrome wheels on there as well. And after that, we've also got another new casting, the McLaren Senna, the best of the best from McLaren these days. Check that out. Love it, love it, love it. And last but not least, the next big Bugatti, the king, the Bugatti Chiron from the Hot Wheels Speed Machine series in the white and gold. That's going to be a fantastic race. And obviously we've got the Bugatti Chiron racing. Check it out. Brand new casting from Hot Wheels. Let's get to our first race and see how many of these hypercars the Chiron can beat. Race number 1, the McLaren P1 versus the Bugatti Chiron. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Bugatti Chiron takes the win in race number 1, beating out the McLaren P1, which now faces the wall. But after that, we've got the Porsche 918 Spider with the Weissach package. This is going to be a great race. The Porsche accelerates really fast off the line. Let's see if the Bugatti can keep up with that big horsepower. Here we go. Race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! Race number 2, it's the Bugatti Chiron that takes the win against that 918 Spider. We've got 2 hypercars facing the wall with those losses now. But now it's time for the Ferrari LaFerrari. Let's take it out, put it in this lane right here as we alternate the lanes for races. There we go, Ferrari LaFerrari versus Bugatti Chiron. On your mark, get set, go! The Holy Trinity is too slow for the Bugatti Chiron as the Chiron takes all 3 of them out. But now we're getting into some new fast ones. The Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. This is going to be a fantastic race. Let's find out who wins this one. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Centenario hands its first loss to the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron now has 3 wins and 1 loss against the Centenario Roadster. Now we've got the McLaren Senna, which has proven to be a very fast Hot Wheels car. These are 2 fast beasts. Let's find out who takes the win. Here we go, race number 5. On your mark, get set, go! McLaren Senna also takes the win. The 2 newer hypercars, the Centenario Roadster and the Senna, both beating out the Bugatti Chiron. But now it is time for the older sibling versus the new younger sibling. The Chiron versus the Chiron. Who do you think is going to take this win? This is going to be a fun race. Here we go. Race number 6. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, the Bugatti Chiron takes out 4 out of the 6 hypercars to take the win and win the tournament. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that raced today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.